it's Kate with WTI, and this is my kitty Kike. If your cat is a little spicy sometimes, like Kike is, then this diffuser might be just the thing to help them feel nice and calm.
This is the FELIWAY Enhanced Calming Pheromone Diffuser, and it's the starter kit. So you can see it's super easy to just plug right into the wall and then it starts diffusing. It should last about 30 days and covers up to 700 square feet. And this is the starter kit, so then you're able, if it works for you and your kitty, to get refills and go from there. So this was recommended to me by Kike's vet because we had kind of a stressful situation that was stressing her out in the home, and so they recommended trying this, and I do feel like it helped to calm her. So of course, check with your pet's vet before starting anything new like this, but if they recommend that this could be a good option for your cat, it is so nice and easy to use, and just gave me as a cat parent a little added peace of mind knowing that I was doing something to help Kike feel nice and calm and safe. I really appreciate how easy it is and that she seemed to be very happy with it plugged in.
I'm really grateful we were able to use this diffuser to help Kike feel nice and calm and safe. It might be just the thing to help your kitty calm down. I recommend checking this out. It's so simple to use and it gives you a little added peace of mind. But that's just our point of view.